In this video, I'll show you how to connect Zoom to HubSpot so your meetings and call activities can automatically sync with your CRM. This integration helps teams keep track of meeting details, contacts, and engagement without manually updating records. To begin, sign in to your HubSpot account and make sure you have permission to install apps. From the HubSpot dashboard, click the Marketplace icon at the top right and open the HubSpot Marketplace. In the search bar, type Zoom and select the official Zoom integration from the results. Open the app listing to review its features and permissions, then click Install to start the connection process. You'll be prompted to sign into your Zoom account, so make sure you use the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Zoom profiles. After signing in, review the permissions that allow Zoom to share meeting information with HubSpot and approve the connection. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to HubSpot while the integration completes. After installation, Zoom meetings can automatically appear in your HubSpot activity timeline, helping keep your CRM records organized. Subscribe for more simple and practical tech tutorials.